With these components, tomatoes can help combat the formation of free radicals. Free radicals are known to cause cancer. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and choline content in tomatoes all support heart health. Tomatoes also contain folate. This helps to balance homocysteine levels. Homocysteine is an amino acid that results from protein breakdown. It is said to increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The management of homocysteine levels by folate reduces one of the risk factors for heart disease. 1 cup of chopped or sliced raw tomatoes contains 32 calories, 170.14 grams of water, 1.58 grams of protein,